Hello people, this is Isaac from IWM. Welcome back to the channel. So nice to see you again. I have a new camera angle now. How about that? Okay, today's topic, today's thing, today's special guest is how we create beats. How I create beats, how you create beats. Let's discuss that. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's do this very simple, shall we? I'm gonna record with my voice a simple beat, okay, like a beatbox. And then I'm gonna try to emulate those sounds with real sample-based instruments. This is something that I do all the time. As you know, I'm a music producer from Sweden and I work with a lot of artists, and sometimes you get an idea and you just want to get it in there as soon as you can. And sometimes the fastest way is to just record a beatbox with your mouth. So let's try this. The tempo is 96. Okay, let's listen to this. Okay, and then I have some drums here. It's a big drum kit. And I'm gonna see if I can, okay, that's a snare. I'm gonna listen and I'm gonna record the same thing with the sample-based instruments. So let's start with the snare, shall we? I think it's on 2 and 4 all the time, yeah? Okay, it's not very difficult. And then I'm gonna try to record the bass, the kick. Okay. Okay, and then we have this sound. Let's go with this one. Okay, let's listen. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yes. There was another beat in there. Okay, and what else is there? Some kind of open hi-hat. Let's use that one. Okay, so everything together without the beatbox sounds like this. Yeah, and then you can of course adjust the velocity curves and the volume of everything so that it sits perfectly. But really, from this to this. Yeah. This is one of my absolute favorite ways of creating stuff. Not just when I create beats. It can also be when I create guitars. It can also be when I create bass. So let's say we want some kind of bass to this, and I can record it with my mouth. And then I will take the guitar or the bass and play that exactly the same as the vocal recording. And also, let's see if I can add some. Okay, that's not a duck. It's actually I'm trying to do a guitar. Sounds like a good thing to me. And what can we do more? Some, yeah. Some kind of hook. So this is my process. I would love to know your process in creating beats and the problems you will face when creating from scratch. That would be a very interesting thing, and help me out here. And if you believe that something could be a lot better here, please put it in the comments. And let's discuss. So okay, I have a new camera today, so I'm gonna switch to that and make it look cool. Okay, let's try this. And also this microphone. Yes. Okay. So that was all for today. Please subscribe to the channel. That means a lot to me, and that means that I can be able to create videos more like this and spread the word about creating good music that actually touch people. Remember, feel is music. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.